we'll guide you through how to cancel your Dropbox subscription. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your avatar in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, you need to go to the Plan tab, which will show you all the details about your current subscription. Scroll down until you find the option that says Cancel Plan or Cancel Subscription, and click on that. Dropbox will ask you to confirm your decision, so make sure to choose the reason for cancellation from the list provided, and then confirm by clicking Continue or Cancel Plan. You might be offered some retention deals or discounts to stay, but if you're sure, just proceed with the cancellation. It's important to note that your account will revert back to a free plan once the current billing cycle ends, so you won't lose access immediately. If you have any files stored that exceed the free plan's limits, make sure to download or move them before the cycle ends to avoid any data loss. And remember, if you've signed up through any third-party services, like Apple's App Store or Google Play, you might need to cancel through them directly. Finally, check your email for a confirmation of your cancellation to ensure everything went through correctly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.